Yesterday I recorded a short video showing how to record or present your PowerPoint slide while recording your voice and then rendering it as a video. And just quickly to go through what we did yesterday, and to say that we're using Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. And I also mentioned that if you have 2016 and 2019, you can as well get the same result. So here I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. If I click on the file menu, you have this option save and send. From save and send, you go to create a video. Allow this to be 1280 by 720 pixel resolution. Click on the drop down arrow. You have don't use recorded timing and narrations as default, but you have to change that to use recorded timings and narrations. When you're ready to begin your presentation, all you need to do is to click back here and click on record timings and narrations. Get ready to start talking after you've got your PowerPoint slide ready. Then when you click start recording, the recording will begin. When you're done with your presentation, there'll be a button at the top left corner from the previous video I recorded. Just watch that in case you missed it. You can click on stop recording. That will bring you back to this screen where you now click on create video. That will go ahead and render or export your presentation in a video format, including your voice and your slide. However, we find that some people may not have this version of Microsoft, so they need to, however, somehow record their screen. This is what I want to demonstrate in this video. How do you go ahead and record your presentation when you do not have this option in your own version of Microsoft PowerPoint? It's simple. We are going to use Chrome extension, which I already outlined in this presentation. If you go to slide number 5, so here we are going to download and install any screen capture software of our choice. We are going to do that using Chrome extension. So for this demo, I'm going to demonstrate 3 or 4 Chrome extensions which we can use free to record our software. So without delay, I'm going to minimize this and go to our browser. So here we are on our browser screen. The first thing we need to do is to go to Chrome Web Store. So Chrome Web Store is so it's Chrome Web Store. If you type this into Google search, it should take us to Chrome Web Store. Please pay attention. So the first link here, which says chrome.google.com, /web store or Chrome Web Store, we click on that. That should take us to Chrome Web Store. So here we are. This is how Chrome Web Store looks. You're going to see the caption here is Chrome Web Store with Google Chrome icon. And then you have here extension, because what we want to install is called an extension, screen recording extension. So the first extension which can allow you capture your screen is called Scree.io. Scree.io. Let's see if we have that here. Okay, let me just not put the .io and see what will come out. Okay, Scree is not there. Okay, let's move on to screen recorder. Let's see what we get. So we have awesome screen recorder. So you can go ahead and install this one. It's got 3 million users or above 3 million users. So I already have this installed, but I'm going to show you how to install an extension in case you do not already know how to do that. And then here we have free screen recorder. I don't know how that works, but you can go ahead and try, but then strictly follow what I'm going to be showing you here. So screen recorder, we have awesome screen recorder. There's another one which I think is this free screen recorder. Let me see. So if I click on that, add to Chrome Web Store, that's just how you install this extension. So let me add free screen recorder to my Chrome store. That's how you install extension. So you have this pop-up. I click on add extension. Alright, so free screen recorder has been added. So I go back to extensions in Chrome Web Store and look for Awesome. So screen recorder again, screen recorder or screen capture. Here we have Awesome screen recorder. Go ahead, click on it. I already have it installed. That's why it's asking me to remove. So in your case, you're going to see add to Chrome Web Store. So you click on it, just following the example I gave in the previous demo. So after you've installed that, you come here. Please take note of there's an icon here that looks like a jigsaw. Click on that. That shows you all the extensions you have on your computer. As you can see here, I've got screen recorder, I've got screen recorder, another one here, I've got Loom screen recorder, I've got free screen recorder, the one I just installed, and then I've got Awesome screen recorder. What you need to do is go ahead and click on this pin icon to pin it. Already when you pin any extension, you are able to see them at this top level here. I have pinned this one and this one and this one. This is something different, but anything you pin will appear here. If you unpin them, you can't see them here. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use this one with blue icon. As you can see, the icon is here. So I'll go ahead and maybe open a new tab, not necessarily, but I want to begin to record my PowerPoint presentation. So I'll bring my PowerPoint up. Okay, so my PowerPoint is up. I'm ready to present. So I click on this presentation mode, and then on my keyboard I'm going to press Alt Tab. That takes me back to the Chrome browser. Really, if I click on alternate tab on my keyboard, it brings me back to my presentation. So here, the first slide, you need to be on the first slide, getting ready to present. But we are not going to present until we are ready with our screen recorder, so that as soon as we begin our screen recorder, we switch immediately to PowerPoint and begin presentation. That's just how it's going to work. So let me quickly demonstrate that. So I'm back on my Chrome because I just need to get my screen recorder working. So I click on this and it opens up here. Now I can minimize my my Chrome browser. I have my screen recorder software in front of my computer. So I go ahead and click on capture only the screen, capturing screen and camera. That's if you want to, include your face in your presentation, maybe somewhere in this corner, somewhere in this corner, or somewhere in this corner. But we are not going to do that. We're just going to record our PowerPoint slide, which is this, right? So go ahead and click on only screen, then check that your microphone is working, check that your speaker is working, and check everything here. Once you're done, so for example, if I click on microphone, so it allows me record my mic. If I don't want a sound from my mic, I could just click here. But this one is it allows me to record. So system mic, using the system mic, I've got an external mic here, so that's why I'm clicking here. If you have to record with your system mic, if you don't have an external microphone, I think you should go ahead and click on this one. But for my my own case, I've got external mic, so I'll click on microphone. When you are ready to start recording, click on start recording. Now it's going to ask you, a pop-up comes out here asking you if you want to use the microphone. I would say allow. Now this is what you need to pay attention to. Here is asking me if I want to record my entire screen, or if I want to record a window, or if I want to record a Chrome tab. If you record your entire screen, anything that you bring up on the screen will show in your final video, and that's not what we want. We want to record only the PowerPoint presentation window, and so it's going to be a window. So instead of deselect entire screen by clicking on window, now it gives you the option to select which of the windows in your computer that's open that you want to record. Remember, we want to record our PowerPoint presentation, so I click on PowerPoint and click on share. Now recording has started. You can now begin. Click on this to hide. you can now begin your PowerPoint slide presentation. So assuming I'm presenting, I go ahead and say blah 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 here. If I want to go to the next slide, all I need to do is to click on my left mouse button, come to the next slide, blah blah blah, next slide, blah blah blah, next slide, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer. And I'm done with my recording. All I need to do is to switch back here and stop recording. How do I switch back to the SCREIO? Is by pressing alternate tab on my keyboard. It brings this screen up, and then I click on stop recording, which I did, and then click on. When you click on stop recording, it will now ask you to save. But before you save, you can now play your video to see. All right. So you see what just happened. My PowerPoint presentation is right, and all I need to do is to click on this to the bottom right corner of this screen. You see dot dot dot. Click on that, and okay, I'm not able to save this here yet, so I click on save. Let me click on save first, and that should have saved that on my computer. So it saved that on my computer. All right. So if you click on this, it opens up a folder on my computer where that recording has been saved to. So I can pick that up and open it here. All right, so that's as simple as it is, and that's how you can record your PowerPoint presentation if you do not have PowerPoint installed on your machine. I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. So I'm going to quickly stop this video now and allow you have a go at it. In the second video, I'm going to record how to use an alternative screen recorder to get this done. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.